gonna start with hello.
Actually,
Anticipation.
like low-key, you literally are one of the most commented things on my video is the fact that people want more videos
hilarious.
of you.
Literally.
The only thing that I would be happy about a duplicate is the Chicken Little.
Like they're gonna be like, never invite her back. She's so mean to you.
And then also get 3 Chicken Littles. we have a fun time over here.
We have fun.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie, this is my sister Jen, and thank you so much for being here today. If this is your first video of me, hello, welcome. I am a certified Disney travel agent and I love just chatting everything Disney, bookish, just sharing my life here on YouTube, and I would love for you to join me on these adventures. If you are not new, hey, it's been a long time. How are you? Happy New Year. It has been quite a while since I've been on here, and I figured that we would start it off with the tried and true Disney pin unboxings or unbaggings. And have my sister here because y'all love her. I mean,
who wouldn't?
You comment all the time that you want more videos with her, so we're bringing her back and we're having the joy of Disney. So.
Highly requested.
You
the
actually,
anticipation.
like low-key, you literally are one of the most commented things on my video is the fact that people want more videos
hilarious.
of you. So
my fans are out there.
you love it. They love you.
Oh my god. Okay.
So yeah, so we are here. We're gonna do a pin unbagging. So if you are in the Disney community, but like not in the Disney pin community, essentially what they put out is these Disney blind bags, and they have 5 randomly selected pins in these bags, and you have the option to get them all. And the fun part about it is the fact that you don't know what you're gonna get. The not so fun part about it is the fact that we might not get our whole collection, but that's also the fun part about it. You know, you get me? It's like
give and take.
Yeah, it's like it's fun, but it's not fun. So anyway, so if you look back at my channel, I went to Disney World a lot in 2024 and then not at all in 2025. And we're gonna change that in 2026, but spoiler alert. Stay tuned for those videos. But we and essentially what I have been doing is I've been hoarding some of the last pins that I bought in 2024 because I wanted to have the magic when we got home, and then I didn't want the magic to go away. So then I got like, I don't want to open these because the minute I open them, then I feel like it's done. But the good thing is they do still offer these pins in the parks. So we do still have an opportunity if we do not get all of them to get more. Yeah.
That is good because I'm seeing one that I need.
Okay, so which one do you need?
There's a Chicken Little.
There is a Chicken
I feel
Little.
like I never see merch with him.
So like low-key when I bought these, right, I literally was like, Jen is gonna love this. And
stop.
Honestly, low-key, I think we need 3 of them because I need one, you need one, and Maddie needs one.
Yeah, no,
So
literally.
the only thing that I would be happy about a duplicate is the Chicken Little.
I feel like that's a sentence no one has ever said.
It is so true.
It's so niche.
So going through all of them, we have Coda, Miko, Scrump, Morph, Mushu, Sebastian, then we have Gus Gus, which is also one that I would like. Then it's Bolts. Bolts is like also not in a lot of things, so that's kind of cool. Pascal, I love a good Disney reptile, so I do actually kind of want Pascal as well. Abu, Pumbaa, Mochi, the cat from Big Hero 6. Then we have Pegasus, Chicken Little, and Oliver from Oliver and Company. So yeah, so if I were to say which ones I wanted, I want Pascal. I obviously want Chicken Little. Bolt would be cute because I love Disney dogs.
You're just taking all the ones I want.
know, I just kind of want all of them. That's like that's kind of why I really like this.
Yeah, these are really cute.
I really like this. And like the cute thing is like it's Pixie Plush, right? That's the, I don't know if I said that out loud. It's Pixie Plush is the Disney pins, came out in 2024. And like low-key, they're just like adorable. They look like little plushies.
Authentic.
In 2024, and they retailed for $44.99 back then. I know it's a lot. It is unfortunate. And unfortunately, I do think that they have increased the prices of these bags. So
I don't
if
ever have
anyone
to buy
wants
them.
to, so here, let
She
me,
buys
let-
them.
I buy them. Let me back up. The best way to support me on this channel and on this journey, and fund my Disney pin collection is to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I also have an Instagram that'll, you know, pop up, link all, do all the things. And that would be wonderful because I love living vicariously through Disney World, but as we all know, the economy is the economying. So
The economy.
you know, as you do. So anyway, so let's get into it as we have had this very, very long intro. So what I was thinking is I think we should open two. So I'll open one, you'll open one, and then I'll pull one out, and then you'll pull one out. Like we'll alternate.
Oh, okay. So it's gonna be a
So we didn't also say we've got 4 bags to open.
20 pins.
We have 20 pins because we have 4 bags and we only need 16 pins. So fingers crossed, there is a chance that we finish them all and then also get 3 Chicken Littles. That's our goal.
That's
right
the
now.
goal.
Okay.
Everything and also additional Chicken Littles. Because that's something everyone
Yes.
needs.
Okay, so opening the first one.
Putting scissors in my face.
Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay.
Do I have to make that noise?
If you would like to.
Can you make? No, I'm gonna make a really weird noise.
And this is why everyone likes you back on the channel, because it's fun.
No,
we have a fun time over here.
We have fun.
First pull. Pumbaa.
Pumbaa.
So we got Pumbaa to start. He's cute.
Does he have a hat
Probably
on?
no. It's his. Oh, it's the like Mickey. It was the Mickey back. So really fast. I always do this for the first one, and I get the back off. Okay, so for anyone who is new to Disney pin trading, they are heavily faked. So the best way to see if they are legitimate is the waffling on the back, as well as they did add a little crystal Disney Mickey, you know, on the back to further authenticate the fact that they are Disney pins. So it's a little crystal Mickey right there. It's really tiny. So yeah, so Pumbaa to start.
Okay, all right. I've had my grubby little hands on this. The guy from Nico from Mulan. No,
Pocahontas. Gotta do the OG group.
that's why you're here.
There you go.
How cute.
Miko. Okay.
Nico.
I kind of cheated. I looked a little bit on accident.
What is it?
It's Bolt!
Oh, that's cute. Okay.
We
Come
love
on, Steph.
Bolt. So cute. So,
one-
okay, so that was one that I did.
This guy feels thin.
Okay.
He feels thin. It could be a chicken.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's
Pegasus.
That's still cute. He's
cute. Again, these are all just like
These
so
are very
cute.
cute.
And like they're tinier. I've opened bigger Disney pins,
Yeah.
but I've opened smaller Disney pins.
There you
So
go.
this is a pretty good,
like a
decently
medium.
decent size. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So next one. Da, 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 da. Chicken Little! Okay, so we at least got one.
Yes!
We got one, and we can share him if we don't get any. But we're
Let me see him.
we're buying for Chicken Little.
Oh my god, he's so
cute.
cute. Okay.
So, anyone listening or watching, comment down below. Were you a Chicken Little kid?
Thoughts on the Chicken Little franchise?
What do you like? What do you think about it? I think it is a culturally phenomenal movie,
Yeah.
and
It really one of a kind.
it really was.
Before its time.
And like the humor that was there, yeah, we
raised us.
are Chicken Little
It
fans
raised
over
us.
here. So if you were ever to go back in time and meet 10-year-old Stephanie, no, I was probably a little.
I don't
older than
remember
that.
when it came out.
I don't know. Child Stephanie.
Children and Jen.
And Jen. If you just talk to us about Chicken Little, we will instantly be your
Eat
friends.
it up.
Yeah.
We
So
would eat it up.
Okay.
It's a good movie.
so that was a good poll.
that was a good
poll.
one. Okay, let's hope for number 2. What did he feel like?
I don't know.
Okay, just trying to cheat. Okay, all right. This guy feels thin too. Oh, it's Oliver. Oliver and Company. Okay, that's cute. Look how cute. He's very
Oh,
orange.
he really is. And like I love, again, it's like they're all little plushies. I'm not a huge cat fan. We're dog fans in this household. Unfortunately, I'm allergic. I love a good cat, but like I'm a Disney dog fan. But he's cute. I did really like Oliver and Company.
I don't think I've ever watched it.
It's like a cute. You should watch it sometime. Yeah.
Okay. What's
okay.
season?
Sebastian.
Oh, he's cute.
Oh, he's cute. He was also one of the ones that I wanted.
He's bigger.
He
Why
is.
do I feel slipped out? I didn't look at it, but I feel like you did.
I didn't.
Oh, it's Mushu.
Mushu.
Oh, he's cute.
He's fun. I like that.
I like him. He looks so cute.
He gets big at the end of the movie, right?
No.
Never? Doesn't he like come up?
Well, it was like forced perspective. He's not actually big. You should rewatch it.
I should rewatch
That's a comfort
it.
movie for me.
Yeah, that was one not. Okay,
Yeah,
last one in this bag for me. Pascal!
Oh, he's cute.
I like him.
Cute. Okay.
Okay, so far we got 3 of the ones that I wanted.
Yeah.
4. I wanted all of them though, let's be honest. Okay.
Okay, maybe this is the 4th. Oh, it's Gus.
I liked him.
Oh,
I wanted him
cute.
too.
My
Okay, so we're
gosh.
doing really good so far for
Well,
having.
don't jinx it, girl. Knock on wood. This is granite. Knock on your seat. Thank you.
Oh, I didn't mention we are in Jen's house right now. She
is
is a new homeowner as of a couple of months ago. Yeah. And we're in her house today, so
We are.
yeah.
I own
Welcome
this.
to the vlogs.
Welcome to the.
Me first, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Da 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 da. Pumbaa again. That's not great.
That's
okay.
not good.
First duplicate. That's okay. That's okay.
It's okay. Okay.
If we get the same 2 bags, that's always my fear.
Knock on wood, girl.
I did already.
Okay.
Pegasus. We do also already have Pegasus. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Not the great first 2 pulls, but we're redeeming ourselves.
We're
Okay.
going through.
We got a boom.
Okay.
Oh, Ray! I love Ray. He's my favorite.
Oh, he's cute.
He's such a good one. That's so cute.
That is.
Okay.
Look at how skinty he is.
He is really
Look
tiny.
at.
He's you're telling me that the chicken and the firefly
The same.
are relatively the same size, and then the crab is ginormous. It's just Disney do better. I'm just kidding.
The
I love
scale.
this.
You're mad at the scale.
I'm mad at the scale. Yeah. Okay. My turn.
Yeah,
Right?
because I did right.
Okay. Me go again.
Okay.
So it's not great.
It's not great. But
Okay.
I think I pulled that one, so at least it's not the same bag.
Okay.
All right.
A boo again.
Already.
Okay.
Okay, we
okay.
got an
So this is great. This is-
not an abu.
It's terrible. Okay.
Okay.
Dupe. Okay.
Oh.
Another Sebastian.
You know what? If we get another Chicken Little,
We will make our lives.
yeah. I think we'd be happy.
I would be happy.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh my God, a third Puma.
Okay. This what I'm feeling in my bag.
Does it feel like a chicken?
It could either be a chicken or it could be Ray. That's my guess.
Okay.
It's Ray.
Okay.
Okay. It seems
Oh
tiny.
my God, do we only have
That
one
was my
left?
last one. Okay,
That
so
was
we
your
have
last
one.
one?
We have one left.
I don't think it doesn't feel. It feels square.
Okay.
It feels square.
Okay. Okay, it's at least
a
new.
one.
That is
Mochi.
Mochi from Big Hero 6.
Feels square. It's like the most circle thing.
But he's like the bigger one.
He's
I
big.
can see it.
He's
Okay.
big. Okay. One.
So
We're gonna have to like fight to the death over
yeah.
Chicken Little.
Well, I mean,
I know. Guys, if you don't have sisters, that's code for it's hers. She paid for it, and that's the exchange that we had.
yeah, that was with no voices.
No
Okay.
voices.
So what we are missing is the brother bear, which I forget his name. I'm sorry. We are missing Scrump.
Yeah.
We are missing Morph from Treasure Planet, and
That's it. Oh, and Oliver. Oh
no, we have Oliver. So we got Oliver, we got Chicken Little, we got Pegasus, we got Mochi, we have Pumbaa, Abu, Pascal. Yeah, so we're only missing 3 because we had extras. And Loki, Brother Bear, not my movie, so I'm not too sad about it. I would have liked Scrump.
The Lilo and Stitch doll that she puts in a jar of pickles.
Like that would have been fun. I liked that. And
No,
like
she doesn't put that in a jar
Scrump.
of pickles. She puts
she
forks
puts she
and
puts
spoons.
because it's her friends. Her friends are in timeout.
Because they deserve to be punished.
Yeah, so Scrump would have been nice, and Morph also not a Treasure Planet, so I'm also not sad about that. So, would we have liked 2 more Chicken Littles?
Yes.
The answer is
So if
yes.
you need 2 Pumas, comment below.
Let us know.
Let's trade.
So speaking of, I do trade. So if you are interested in,
I don't know.
went straight into the spiel.
I'm like, I like slide off with the Chicken Little pin.
So I do trade. So if you're looking for Pumbaa, Sebastian, Pegasus, Abu, Miko, or Ray, I do trade. So you can message me on Instagram or email me, whatever you want to do. Both are linked in my bio, or I'll link them wherever. And right over Jen's face. And I also do sell my traders. So I am over on Whatnot. So if you are interested in buying my pins, let me know. The link is down below. So if you have Chicken Little, or Brother Bear, Scrump, or Morph. Let me know. Instagram or email me, and I would love to trade with you. Otherwise, this concludes the pin unboxing. And again, I think the video was made just by opening.
I'm so glad we got him.
I am so glad. I would have been really, really, really sad.
Yeah, you would have had to have bought like 80 more of
Yeah,
these.
I would have. And then my wallet would have been sad.
Yeah,
So this is the first video of 2026, filming it. And like I said, sprinkled it in. Stay tuned for some trip updates and trip announcements. And overall, if you have stayed to this point in the video, let me know which one you loved the best. And just, I love to be here. I love that we're all here together. So thank you so much for being here and wandering through this life of mine. And thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.